One.
Full throttle. Turn. Lower throttle. F22 RC plane from FR Go with signal stability of 2.4 GHz, multi-directional control, smart gyroscope, USB charging, and long battery life. Let's hope it's true.
Yeah. Look at this remote control.
Yeah.
It have high and low speed button, power
That's
indicator, direction control lever, and throttle lever.
Yeah.
Left fine tuning, right fine tuning, and switch to change channels. Cool.
Yeah.
What we have here, it's the same, yeah?
No. Oh, we can see that it's a red one.
A
Not
red
blue
one. Yeah, it is red one, and product advantages: lightweight body, body balance, long endurance, crash resistance.
Oh, I mean, the crash resistance is useful to RC planes, because I saw some RC planes and they're made from plastic and they just break into pieces.
I think for you it will be very useful. Okay,
Hey,
let's
open
open
it.
it.
Okay. We could have just. Okay.
Two sides. And how we can open it? And like this. This way.
Inside.
This way.
Okay, let's see. Oh wow!
Damn.
Oh wow! Let's get it out of the box.
This China-made F22.
Yeah. What does it has the China Army logo?
Because the China-made.
Maybe. Yeah, probably is.
Cheap China copy of F22.
I mean, it says the name is F22.
Look
like,
at it and be sure how to
yeah.
make it fly. Here we need to connect these parts of the body.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Look, we put it like this and push it.
Yes. Just like putting a ram stick.
Yeah, and this way to put it like here and push it
Yeah.
forward to click. Yeah.
So there's also some parts here, including the gear, the charger, and some more propellers
We need 3 batteries
for the controller.
of
also.
the controller.
But because we think we don't have like
Look at
flat-
this. Here is a spare
yes, I said that.
things and the charger. The charger for the battery. Where is the battery?
I guess it's inside. Let's take a look from inside. Oh my god. My nails are
You can
okay.
block it.
Yep, the battery is inside.
Battery is here. We need to charge it with this type of charger.
Yeah, good thing we have a spare one, which is already charged.
It's connected like this. No, like this. And put it in USB charger and it will be charged.
Yes.
Put it in USB charger.
Okay.
There is a range when you can adjust your propellers like this and like this. Cool, and it's easy, I think, to open this way. To close and to open. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, it's easy to open too. Cool. And also we can put our here we can put the wheels to click, but we will do not use them because we will fly in the field without rods.
Okay, let's put in our batteries into the remote. Okay. And was there a screw for this? Was there a screw?
We do not have screw for this. Can you find, is a battery charged? Can you bring some charged?
Let me
battery?
bring a charge one.
A charged one, yeah.
Let's put it in.
The.
Can I please put it in?
I help you.
No, I don't. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Now we have lights.
That's not how you put it in.
Look at it. Here we have lights.
Yeah.
Let's close it.
Yeah. I wonder if it's stealth.
It tells. Can you check if they are?
Okay, let's see.
Let's see. Is it work?
It's searching for it.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. How powerful is it?
Max throttle.
Max throttle. Can you turn on lights? Yeah, turn on lights. And let's see how we can. High and low speed. Can you push this button?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay.
And then and now.
No, no. Wow, a lot of thrust here.
This is low. And this is high. Okay.
Cool. Let's go to make some flights in the field.
Yes.
Let's go. We are trying our first flight. Yay!
Oh my god.
Get on.
Okay.
Okay, let's fly. Fly to me!
I'm trying. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
0 from.
Wow.
Okay. Oh my god, it's stuck. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1,
Full
2.
throttle. Turn. Lower throttle. No, turn here. Come back.